Hello, students. It's so good to see you all back here at QA Online Academy. Before we dive into today's exciting topic, I want to make sure you've all had a chance to review our previous lesson on HTML elements. It's the foundation for everything we do. Are you ready? Today, we're going to transform that plain text into something beautiful as we explore the essence of HTML styles. The essence of HTML styles lies in the style attribute. It's used to add color, change fonts, adjust sizes, and so much more to any element. The syntax is simple: tag name, then the style attribute, followed by the property and its value in quotes. Let's start with the background. The CSS background-color property defines the entire background for an HTML element. It's one of the quickest ways to change the mood of your page. Look at how we can set a whole page to powder blue in PyCharm. In reality, you just add the style attribute to the body tag. Setting the background color to powder blue instantly transforms the canvas. You can even set specific colors for different elements, like tomato for a paragraph, to make it stand out. Now that the background is set, let's look at the text itself. The color property is what we use to define the text color for any HTML element. It makes your headings and paragraphs pop. As you can see, by simply changing the color property to blue for the heading and red for the paragraph, we create a clear visual hierarchy. It's that easy to start designing. Typography is just as important. The font family property defines which font to use, and font size lets us control how big or small that text appears. Let's see them in action. Using font family, we can switch a heading to Verdana and a paragraph to Courier for a unique look. Then, with font size, we can scale things up, like 300% for a bold heading. Finally, we have layout. The text align property defines the horizontal alignment of your text. It's the perfect way to center your headings and create a balanced design. By setting text align to center, your heading moves right to the middle. This is essential for clean, professional-looking headers and sections. To summarize our lesson, use the style attribute for all your needs. Use background-color for backgrounds, color for text colors, font-family for fonts, font-size for sizes, and text-align for alignment. Master these, and you're well on your way. Now it's your turn. I want you to open PyCharm on your computer right now and solve this exercise. Create an HTML page with a tomato background and a centered heading. I'll give you 10 seconds. Starting now. Time's up. Did you get it? Here's the solution. We set the body background to tomato and use text align center for the heading. Great practice. I am so impressed with your hard work today. You're making incredible progress. Next time, we'll dive into HTML text formatting, so be sure to watch that. In the meantime, go back to the previous chapters and practice at home. Consistency is key. Please subscribe to our channels, visit our website at qaonlineacademy.com, and leave your feedback below. I'll see you in the next lesson.